Hello everyone, my name is Fildzah Nabiila and I'm from IPSE 2021 with student ID 2109567, and today I want to show you how to identify acidic, basic and neutral solution using natural indicator. The first thing you have to do is peel one dragon fruit and cut the skin into small pieces like this. After that, put it into a saucepan. And add 200 milliliters of alcohol into the saucepan. And then just stir it, and you have to cover it using the lid. In this time, you have to soak the dragon fruit peel pieces for 24 hours and stir it every 4 hours like this. After 24 hours, separate the soaked solution and the dragon fruit skin using the sieve. And then you will get a fresh natural pH indicator, so we can do the experiment. Hi, so here I already prepare 8 small plastic cups, and also I have tap water and syringe. The first step is you need to take 10 milliliters of tap water using syringe. Then we take our first cup and pour the tap water into the cup. For the second cup, here I have 1/4 teaspoon of detergent, and then we pour the 10 milliliters of tap water into the cup. And don't forget to mix it. And as you can see here, white is the color of the solution. For the third cup, here I have vinegar, and we take it about 10 milliliters using syringe. And then just pour it into a new cup. And then for the fourth cup, here I have toothpaste, and we pour 10 milliliters of tap water into the cup of toothpaste. And also you have to mix it. And as you can see, here we got white as the color of the solution. For the fifth cup, I have a cup of soap, and then we add 10 milliliters of tap water into the cup of soap. And then just mix it. And for this one, we also get white as the color of the solution. For the sixth cup, I have baking soda, and then we add 10 milliliters of tap water into a cup of baking soda. And just mix it. And this is colorless. And for the seventh cup, I have sugar, and we add 10 milliliters of tap water into the cup. And then mix it. And as you can see here, it is also colorless. And for the last, I have salt, and I add 10 milliliters of water into the cup and mix it as well. So we're done on making the solution. And for the next step, take your drop pipette and your natural indicator and take it using drop pipette and drop it about 3 until 5 drops into each solution. And you can watch the color change of each sample solution. And here's the result.